we divide 394 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we put down this 4 and it is 44. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So 394 divided by 5 is 78.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.